English to Italian. I will do.
Farò.
Future tense with
Fare.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today we'll nail the Italian future of to do, I will do.
Farò.
You will do.
Farai.
She will do.
Lei farà.
It will do.
Farà.
We will do.
Faremo.
You, plural, will do.
Voi farete.
And the base verb to do.
Fare.
Strap in and smile. Your goal today. Lock these forms into your brain with rhythm and a grin. I will do.
Farò.
You will do, singular.
Farai.
She will do.
Lei farà.
It will do.
Farà.
We will do.
Faremo.
You will do, plural.
Voi farete.
To do, to make.
Fare.
A tiny scene. Picture this quick, funny dialogue and repeat the Italian out loud. You, can the coffee machine handle the morning rush? Friend, relax.
Farà.
Tutto, it will do everything. You, and the report? I promise.
Lo farò.
Dopo il caffè. I will do it after coffee. Friend, great. If you're busy.
Lei farà.
La presentazione. She will do the presentation. You, team spirit. Domani.
Faremo.
Il resto insieme. Tomorrow we will do the rest together. Coach popping in. Ehi, ragazzi.
Voi farete.
Anche il riscaldamento. You all will do the warm-up. You, okay, and if I procrastinate, you'll remind me I.
Farai.
Wait, that's you will do. I mean, I.
Farò.
Drills with pauses. Say it in Italian, then check the answer after the pause. Say, I will do it tomorrow. Answer.
Lo farò domani.
Say, tomorrow you will do your homework. Singular you. Answer.
Domani farai I compiti.
Say, she will do the presentation. Answer.
Lei farà la presentazione.
Say, tomorrow it will do the job automatically. Answer.
Domani farà il lavoro automaticamente.
Say, we will do our best. Answer.
Faremo del nostro meglio.
Say, you, plural, will do a break at 3. Answer.
Voi farete una pausa alle 3.
Say, I need to do my homework. Answer.
Devo fare I compiti.
Culture tip.
Fare.
Everywhere. You'll hear this verb all the time, own it and you'll sound natural. Italian packs tons of daily actions into
Fare. Fare la spesa.
do the shopping.
Fare una passeggiata.
Take a walk.
Fare una foto.
Take a photo.
Fare I compiti.
Do homework. Once you master.
Fare.
You'll do, well, everything. Lightning quiz. Quick checks. Shout your answers before I reveal them. Q. English to Italian. We will do it later. A.
Lo faremo più tardi.
Q. Which form is you will do, singular? A.
Farai.
Q. Give the base verb, to do, to make. A.
Fare.
Q. Translate. It will do just fine. A.
Farà.
Benissimo. Q. Translate. You, plural, will do the project. A.
Voi farete il progetto.
Q. Translate. I will do my best. A.
Farò del mio meglio.
Challenge time. Now you speak first, confident and clear. Say 3 sentences about your plans using
Farò. Faremo.
and.
Voi farete.
Turn these into Italian. You will do it if I call. She will do it tomorrow. We will do the rest. Speed round. Say the 6 forms in order.
Farò. Farai. Lei farà. Farà. Faremo. Voi farete.
Go. Wrap up and next steps. You did great, future tense unlocked. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Farò. Farai. Lei farà. Farà. Faremo. Voi farete.
And.
Fare.
In short daily bursts. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and free printables at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.